feel smaller, faster, and more connected than even before.
Ideas, cultures, and values cross borders without resistance.
Technology allows us to be seen, heard, and recognized instantly. Yet, in this constant flow of connections, many of us increasingly uncertain feels about who we are.
Globalization offers opportunities, freedom, and progress.
But it also reflects back our expectations that shape our identities.
The film explores how we begin easily to mirror the world around us.
And how quickly reflections can turn into imitation.
How visibility becomes a measure of worth, and how identity becomes fragmented in this process.
This is not a story of rejection,
But this is a reflection on awareness.
This is
Reflection lost in the global mirror.
My name is Velsia Della. I represent individuals who fully embrace global modernity. I believe that adaptation, visibility, and alignment with global standards are necessary for relevance and success. To me, identity is flexible, something that must evolve in order to survive in a competitive, interconnected world.
I'm Jaslyn. I represent the observer, those who begin without strong opinions but gradually become aware of the subtle way modern society influences thought, behavior, and identity.
I am definitely I represent those who feel torn between global influence and personal authenticity. I experience uncertainty, confusion, and internal conflict as I try to reconcile who I am with who I am expected to be. I am Casey Aurelia. I represent a generation shaped by social media, digital recognition, and public validation. I live in a world where existence often feels incomplete unless it is acknowledged by others.
I am Michelle Velasco. I represent the voice of ethical and cultural consciousness. I question whether progress should require the abandonment of moral values and cultural roots. For me, modernity should not erase identity but coexist with it.
I am Jessica. I represent philosophical inquiry and critical thinking. I seek to question assumption, analyze contradiction, and reflect on the deeper consequences on globalization on human identity.
Everyone speaks the same language now, not just linguistically, but also ideologically. I adapted because adaptation was presented as intelligent, as survival. But survival of what? I learned to modify my accent, my preferences, even my opinion. Gradually, the modification felt natural. Or perhaps I simply become accustomed to losing parts of myself. Global culture promised freedom, yet demanded consistency, conformity, and approval. If identity is endlessly adaptable, does it still possess meaning? At what point does adaptation cease to be growth and become self-erasure? Perhaps progress requires resistance, not against the world, but against forgetting who I was before it defined me.
You know, linguistic adoption is becoming essential now. Even credibility seems tied to how global one sounds.
Because globalization demands a universal language of relevance, local expression rarely support global standards.
Or perhaps we confuse universality with superiority.
In practice, perception defines success more than authenticity.
But when perceptions dominates, identity becomes performative.
Performance overrides the essence.
Visibility precedes experience now. If something isn't documented, its value feels diminished.
Do you concern the moment or the moment concern you?
Recognition validates existence.
That suggests existence is dependent on external approval.
In a global society, external validation is a form of social currency.
Yet currency fluctuates, while identity should not.
Adapt, refine, conform strategically. At what point does adaptation become self-erasure?
If globalization claims to expand freedom, why does it often produce alienation?
Because individual resist the adaptation, so discomfort is the part of the progress. Or because progress is defined without ethical reflection. Ethics involve the alongside society.
But when evolution erases moral grounding, what remains to guide us?
Perhaps freedom without reflection becomes emptiness disguised as choice.
I feel fragmented, different versions of myself in different spaces.
So which version feel more authentic?
The one I suppress because it doesn't align with expectations.
Then the conflict is not your identity, but is the fear of rejection.
Guys, I restrained myself from posting today. It felt unsettling.
Because silence forces introspections.
And introspections disrupts distractions.
Modern society fears silence because it reveals unresolved questions.
You said as though culture is fragile.
Culture endures. It is human consciousness that is vulnerable.
Globalization itself is neutral, the uncritical adoption of its not.
We can engage globally without abandoning our ethical identity.
Perhaps I mistook visibility for significance.
What do you see yourself? A constructed image shaped by a global expectation?
I see someone who stopped questioning in order to belong.
Questioning is not rejection of progress. It is responsibility.
The global mirror doesn't distort us. We lose ourselves when we accept its reflection without critic.
I once believed that aligning myself with global standard was a sign of progress. Yet, I now recognize that progress without self-awareness leads to conformity, not freedom. Global engagement should expand identity.
Culture is not an obstacle to modernity. It is moral foundation. When we neglect our values in pursuit of acceptance, we do not become global citizens. We become individuals without ethical direction.
I measured my existence through visibility and validation. but constant exposures created a distance between who I present and who I am. True presence requires restraints, not continuous display.
I learned that identity crisis does not emerge from having too much influences, but from lacking the courage to choose what truly defines us. Authenticity begins when we stop performing and start understanding ourselves.
Globalization is neither virtue nor vice. It's a condition of our time. Its impact depends on our capacity for critical reflection. Without philosophy, progress becomes directionless.
To exist in the global world is necessary. To lose ourselves within it is not. Awareness allows us to join without surrendering our identity.
In a globalized world, adaptation feels inevitable.
Reflections remain a choice.
Will we continue to perform for the mirror, or dare to look beyond it?
This film inspires you to question, not to judge.
To reflect, not to imitate.
In a globalized world, losing ourselves is easy. Remaining conscious is the real challenge.